Any preferences?
You probably won't like that.
I don't think so either, but you might.
I don't care. If you get stuck on that, I doubt I'm pulling you out unless it's back down.
I would say probably backing down the hill.
Yeah.
You know what, I'm going to try it anyhow. I can always just, like you said, back down it.
Yeah.
So it'll just be one at a time type thing, just to give it have a little bit of fun. But yeah, probably if I don't make it, we'll go this way.
Alright. I can probably get up around too. Because I can see a trail there.
On the left side there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know if there's anything what's there, so.
I don't either. All I can see is sled tracks, so.
Yeah, but somebody tried it once by the looks of it, nobody's tried it afterwards.
That may be a good point.
Yeah?
I looked up because I saw a post. And I was like, oh, no quads. He would.
But there's no quads because there's water.
Yeah, I know.
So that's what.
Yours don't give a shit.
Nope.